values.
Hi, I'm at J Market in Petey, the only certified Angus beef retailer on island. Also at J Market, get Tang Orange 69-ounce beverage mix for $6.99, Sanka 8-ounce decaf for $4.99, and Oscar Mayer Fun Pack Lunchables at 2 for $4.99.
The Grand Summer of Values. Save and enjoy. Coming to Guam, July 2001, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile.
Watch KUAM TV8 and you could win a craft value pack full of great craft, host, and Oscar Mayer products. When the Craft Summer of Values logo and phone number appears on your screen, be the 8th caller and win. Watch and win with Craft and TV8.
We interrupted a program and this is emergency alert. This is not a test. A tsunami with 10 meters high will going to hit Guam. Don't worry, the government vehicles are going to take you to the airport. Make sure prepare your things and go to the government vehicles. There's 10 planes are going to the United States. If you are in red area please evacuate immediately.